Hello guys, the three amigos here. Today we're gonna play arcade match just in case because we don't have any much time to play. So let us go now.
And so, yep, Kim's just playing with me. This is WoppydaKlaud here, and also wish you a Merry Christmas. Wishing everyone here a Merry Christmas, and let's go. Let's just go.
Yep, let's go. Welcome to PUBG World.
We will be taking off soon.
All of it should be a little hard because it is military base.
Oh, okay. I know a good place to go military base, Kim.
Okay.
Oh yeah, only shotguns, man.
Yep. How dare you? You take all of them.
Oh wait, no,
I have only crowbar.
I can give you a shotgun, Kim. Here. Kimmy Bar? Kim, shotgun. I don't have much ammo for it though. I've got 6 ammo here. Take it, Kim. Ammo here. Kimmy Bar.
Okay.
Then now let's just run to that next one. Oh, it just sounds so loud.
Yep. Snow.
Okay, your shot.
The KTX is the really expensive train. So
I know.
Korean also can't.
Kim, I need some ammo. Kim, can you give me some? I need some ammo.
Okay. Oh, sorry, what's me?
How dare you, Kimmy Bar? Can you just drop some?
Take this
Thank
much.
you. Okay, we need to move, Kim.
Let's just go.
Let's go here, yeah.
Can you see someone? Okay, let us move.
Yeah, we have to go. Watch out for people in the grass.
Yep.
I see someone.
Be there.
Got him.
Good. Be careful.
I know, I just need to loot.
We have to move, Oliver.
Okay, let's go. Let's go, Kimmy Bob, run.
Careful.
I know.
Oh, there's one person. Careful. Oh, I got so much rat.
Daddy, I'm nearly finished. I'm nearly finished. Okay, Daddy. Okay, I know. Someone's coming. I'm nearly finished, Dad.
Yay!
We won!
We won!
Were you filming, Kim?
Woo!
Were you filming, Kim?
Yeah, I was filmed. Yay!
Yay! Finally.
Woohoo!
Woo! Okay, let's just do the yeah. Okay, thank you guys all for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to the Three Amigos.
Yep.
And we'll see you all soon. Goodbye.
See you soon.
Bye.
Goodbye.